In today's edition of Crypto with Your Coffee, I'll be covering Kyber Network and how they're starting to wake up. Injective Protocol partners with SuperFarm, and Bitcoin is on a path to 288K. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. If you guys like daily crypto content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you guys like daily crypto news in the morning and a coin review in the afternoon. So let's get into it here. We'll start by looking at the charts over at CoinGecko, and things have turned right side up. And let's look at some of the winners for the day. Bitcoin up to $59,000 after having a little bit of pullback after reaching 61,000. But the 7-day chart, Chili's has been on a tear for quite some time now for the past couple of weeks, and here they are on the 7-day up 136%. Holo up 135% on the week. Decentraland also past couple weeks has been on a tear, and they're at 114%. And Filecoin up 103%. There's a lot of big gainers here now that crypto is kind of turning around. Even basic attention token hitting all-time highs at $1.23. So if you've been one of the lucky ones to be using the Brave browser and getting the free coins, now you're starting to see your gains after after it being stagnant for a long time like the rest of the market. But the Brave browser is a great browser. I use it every day actually, and there's no issues with it, no bugs, and you get free BAT. So win-win there for everyone. All right, so losers on the 7-day. NEM has just been going down lately. They haven't been able to turn things back around. I'm sure they will. They're down 37%. PancakeSwap down 17%. After a hack, PancakeSwap had a hack just a few days ago. The graph has been down 13.5%. Let's look on page 2. Page 2 is always fun to look at to see who's on the come up here. 7-day winners. So you got Orbs. Orbs is at 110 on CoinGecko with a 433% gain in 7 days. LivePeer 342%. Meta 244%. So, these are some of the cryptos that maybe 2 days ago were on page 5 and now they're on page 2. And if you were in these coins, you made some nice gains here, really nice gains. So very interesting to look at stuff like that. Ampleforth down 14%, Serum down 9.9%, Battery Dial 7.7, nothing too crazy. Okay, let's get into the news here. $288,000 by December. Do you even think that's possible? Everyone's kind of been talking about 100K is like this tipping point. I mean, I guess that's that psychological level, like, wow, we hit 100K, but can it go past that? Stock to Flow Creator says 288K is possible this bull run. And PlanB says we are only 3.5 months into the Bitcoin bull market. In my opinion, BTC will not stop at 100K and will continue to S2FX 288K average price level. All-time high will be higher. So he doesn't even think, he thinks it'll go past 288,000. He referenced both his stock to flow or S2F and stock to flow cross asset or S2FX models, which gives an average of BTC to USD price forecast of $100,000 and $288,000 during the current halving cycle set to end in 2024. This is just the average, however, and PlanB believes that the peak of the cycle could be double those figures or even more, potentially in excess of $576,000. Further 6x gains by December. Currently, Bitcoin is following the stock to flow trajectory almost to the letter. Like clockwork, as PlanB described it, and has yet to give off signs that the crypto top is approaching, as fellow analyst Rect Capital noted. Such signs tend to come in the form of BTC USD jumping above the planned trajectory. Upside price deviations from the stock to flow line tend to precede bull market tops or BTC, the Twitter account wrote. These analysts come up with these stock to flow models, and right now, essentially, Bitcoin is following that path to the letter, which means that 288K is certainly possible if it keeps on following this stock to flow chart. Exciting times for sure. Let's get on into Kyber. So Kyber network gains 40% as its 3.0 network launch approaches. Now Kyber network, I was almost going to put it into a video as one of the coins that has yet to explode. Now it hasn't really exploded yet, like crazy exploded, but we saw some nice price action here. Let me pull up Kyber network. And let's take a look here. They're currently sitting at 102 over at CoinGecko, $3.06, but for the longest time it's been stagnant. If you bought in the summertime where some DeFi projects were blowing up, Kyber network really didn't do too much, and they haven't done much since then. So we had this long period of consolidation here, and then a little move up here in January, a little bit more, and then finally, with this nice big news, it shot up to $3, and it's still not where I'm sure it's still not where investors like it to be, but some good news nonetheless. So optimism grows for Kyber 3.0. The main driving force behind the growing optimism in the Kyber community is the upcoming launch of Kyber 3.0, which will transition Kyber from a single protocol into a hub of purpose-driven liquidity protocols that are catered to different DeFi use cases. This is significant development for the Kyber ecosystem, as the DMM will provide benefits to liquidity providers, and it will also support permissionless liquidity contributions from anyone and grant access to this liquidity by any taker. And that's exactly what's going on right now. Some of these DeFi projects that were booming in the summertime, they lost some value leading up to 2021. They've since gained it back. These DeFi projects have kind of taken a back seat to the NFT mania, and now they're planning their next move. And upgrades to the Kyber network that increase governance features while adding solutions to high gas fees have the project well positioned for increased adoption once the focus of the cryptocurrency market returns to the burgeoning DeFi sector. The NFT market might cool down a little bit. All the hype, all the rage is there, and then DeFi is going to make another run. Okay, so Injective Protocol partners with SuperFarm to launch exclusive Injective NFTs. And if you don't know, SuperFarm, what exactly is the problem SuperFarm solves? In the world of NFTs, there has always existed a problem with setting up NFT farming. The process has always been relatively hard to set up and also required coding. Despite the benefits NFT farming brings, allowing the creation of revolutionary blockchain assets and increased demand for new farms and collectibles, the process was too tiresome. Hence, one platform aimed to solve this issue by empowering all users to have easy access in setting up NFT farms and creating their own collectible ecosystem without needing any knowledge for coding. If you know what Uniswap did for liquidity pools, SuperFarm will do something similar for NFT farming. And there's a pretty cool chart here that shows exactly what SuperFarm does compared to its competitors. It's an NFT marketplace, NFT generation, farming, multiverse video game, crypto farming, ERC20 generation. To launch these exclusive NFTs, we are thrilled to launch exclusive Injective NFTs through our partnership with SuperFarm. Users will be able to farm Injective NFTs, which will provide them with unique benefits such as increased odds of receiving surprised token drops when staking on Equinox. We will also explore the creation and trading of NFTs on the Injective chain, which can allow for the creation of NFTs with unparalleled transaction times and zero gas fees, given our unique Layer 2 structure. Internally, Injective has been carrying out major NFT collaborations, such as the widely reported Banksy burning, which occurred earlier this month. So INJ, they're housing some of the best NFT artists around, like Banksy. So a nice partnership there. So breaking, Chinese firm Me2 bought another 16,000 Ethereum at a cost of 28.4 million US dollars and bought another 386.1 Bitcoin at a cost of 21.6 million US dollars. Just super bullish news for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And if you notice, these institutions are starting to buy Ethereum too. Before it was just Bitcoin, but Ethereum's part of that mix. ETH super undervalued right now, but bullish, very bullish news. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like daily crypto content, again, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, join me this afternoon for a coin review, and I'll see you guys then.